guys, so today again we have another unboxing of the new, actually it's not new guys, we did an unboxing before, a couple of months regarding this Godox Ad300 guys. So that time we have only a single flash, but now guys we have this kit or the outdoor kit, Godox Ad300. So eto siya guys. Yes, so it's actually guys, if you know Profoto B10, it's similar. They have a similarity. So again guys, so this is the Godox Ad300 Pro kit, outdoor kit. They name it outdoor kit. So again guys, let's start unbox and check the product. And I think we don't need to test the product because we have already previous vlog regarding this light, and we test and we tried, so you can check that light guys. I'll put the description on that vlog. So again guys, but today we will unbox this bag, this Godox Ad300, and we will check what's inside of this bag. So again guys, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography, videography gears here in AAV World. So stay tuned. And again guys, so let's start unbox. Actually, it's not a box eh. Unbug. Di ba unbug ba tayo? Unbugging ang sagwa. Let's start unbox, whatever you call this one. Oh, let's start check what's inside the bag of this Godox Ad300 Pro outdoor kit. So ayan, start na natin. But we will check first sa bulsa niya. Oh, yan, accessories. I don't think what is this, 45L. It's written 45L and 45L. So let's check later. What's this? So yan, ito pa. The other side, no. Okay. Okay guys, so again, before we're gonna start again to open this bag, I'll show you some area of the bag that you can, it's not very useful guys. For example, this area. So this is a light stand area, so you can put your light stand. Then you can lock from this, I don't know what you call this one, locking something mechanism. Then yeah, tighten. Similar with the other side guys, so side by side you can put your light stand. Then again, so let's start to open again the area, and we have here the, I think this is the soft box. Yes, it's AD-S60S. Yeah, it's a soft box guys. So I think this is similar with the soft box with the yung maliit, the ML60. Yeah. Okay, so again here on the side you have more area to put some accessories. Yeah. Again guys, when you purchase the Ad300 Pro kit outdoor, it comes already with a bag guys. It's packed with this kit with the bag. Again, let's open now guys. So, I will keep aside first this thing. Okay guys, so yan, mali pa yung binuksan ko. Okay, oh, charan! So yan guys, first you notice here the two umbrella from the top. So we have umbrella here, yeah, professional photo umbrella and professional photo umbrella. We will check what is the, I think this is silver and this is tungsten because from the model itself, UBL-U85P. I think the translucent. I think this translucent guys. I'm not sure, but we will check. But I believe it's translucent, so it means a white. Translucent with the, there's more here. I think it's a back door. Yeah, accessories from the school guys, from the umbrella. The next one, we have also here the UBL U085S. Oh, I think silver. It's a silver reflector. So, ayan nga guys, tama, it's a silver. It's a silver reflector. Ayan. So, eto siya guys. Kaya S kasi silver reflector. Again, you have two umbrella. First, you have the translucent and now you have the silver and you have, I think, some diffuser or back panel. So, yan. Tabi muna natin. Okay. Then, check some of the parts of the bag. Make sure that there's no accessories left behind here. So, yan. Yeah. Then, you can see now the two AD300 Pro. Actually, if you buy the AD300 single piece, you have already this hard case, not hard case, soft case. So again, in the Pro version, which is two pieces AD300, still you have the soft case, even though that you have already the bag. Again, one and yun. So ayan yung pinaka-divider niya guys from the bag. So, it's a nice bag. The quality of the bag, I think, is very good quality, and yeah, excellent quality. I like the quality of the bag. Actually, you can use this one as your photo gear bag or video gear bag. So it's not just because you have already a divider inside. So you can use not only for this light, but yeah, you can customize. You can customize and guys, you can customize. Then you can put even your camera bag or use this as your camera bag. And again, guys, sorry, we have the manual here for the AD300 Pro. Yan, kita nyo. So kung trip nyo basa ng manual, then again, we have the manual here. Yeah. Then again, let's check the AD300. So baba muna natin to. I think I'm gonna check one piece. So ayan. Pag in-open mo yung hard case, soft case, ayan bubungan sa'yo guys. Again, similar with the AD300 first version. We have the battery, the charger for the battery, and socket, and the holder, and of course the lights. And the lights itself. And guys, again, this is the AD300 Pro outdoor kit. And check nyo lang guys, I will put at the description the price of the product compared for the single piece. And again guys, so that is for today's vlog about AD300 Pro Kit, outdoor Pro Kit. Again, so this is the light guys. Again, if you want to check the result or test of this AD300, we have a previous vlog from the, I think, couple of months regarding the AD300 with the one kit only. So one kit, one piece. So we did the test and we tried the flash itself. So again guys, I think that's it for today. Again, flex time first. I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. So shout out to all the admins and members ng Team Positive. At syempre, shout out din natin ang ating mga ka-team dito sa Kuwait, ang PBK, Pinoy Vloggers Kuwait. Lalo sa Colabo, naglalaro na tayo. And syempre sa ating director na si Brian Puntarar na may bagong camera, 6,500. Yayamanin. Oo, di ba? At syempre, di ba? Yun na. So again, I think that's it for today. And again guys, if you want to check the price again for this AD300 Pro, you can check to our website www.avworld.com. So ayan, andun lahat ng Godox category namin guys. flashes AD300, 400, 600, LS, ano pa ba? Marami. O ML series, plus yun, vlog. Then, yun, pricing, nandun lahat guys. So, check our website. And if you want to be updated or notified regarding new products from AV World, you can sign up to our newsletter in AV World in website. So at least you'll be updated lahat ng events or any offers that we have in AV World. So again guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much and mabuhay!